Hi, Cheyenne. I thought your idea was a really creative one. I have never seen anything like it. So, if this is literally inside the leave behind, I would just be super duper picky with the typography, number one. Number two, I would use the brightest SH version you have because that gray and blue cannot compete with this wonderful electric color palette you have going on. Consider taking the SH and have it alternating between black and white and just like litter maybe every other one with your logo or every single one, either black or white, checkerboard. Because you can do that on color. I don't know if it breaks your style guide. But otherwise, really take a look at this card you're going to give out and be really picky about the spacing to the left and the right of the squares. Make sure that the bottoms are aligned, the spacing around the type is exactly the same. Consider finding a decorative font to write instructions and have fun. And then make sure that there's enough space all around the edges so that you can easily take it in and it's easy to read. Like right here, this area is real easy to read, I think because it's surrounded by white space. Gets a little trickier here because it's tight up against the borders. So keep that in mind. This is really creative. I would really consider you for a job if this came across my desk, but I forgot already what you want to do. If it's design related at all, this has to be impeccable. Anyway, those are my thoughts. I don't know. You're going to need an X-Acto knife too, right? Um, and I don't, I'm terrible with the X-Acto knife, but what I understand is that if you have a ton of blades, it makes it easier because you're supposed to change out the blades like constantly. Otherwise, as soon as they start to get a little dull, then you throw that blade away and you get a new one. Let me know if you have any questions, but I think you're on the right track.